What's good, June Squad? It's your boy June coming to you again with another video, and today we are in South Carolina, people. We're at Lake Jocassee, sorry, Lake Jocassee, and we're about to go check out a bunch of waterfalls. We're gonna do a bunch of exploring, climbing mountains, doing all kind of craziness. I hear this area is just amazing, so we have a tour guide. His name is Captain Jocassee, and he's gonna basically give us a tour of this whole beautiful area. So guys, bring you guys along. Don't forget, smash that like button. Let's go. Alright guys, so right now we are in the middle of Lake Jocassee, and I'm in an area where there used to be a town here, and this is why the whole river, this is why there's a lake here. They flooded the town and now it's a lake. Well, I want to show you guys the actual water where the lake, where the town used to be. It used to be right there. As you can see, used to be right here. I'm gonna show you a picture of it. All right guys, so this is what the town used to look like, and that is where the water's at now. The town's literally right there. That was the old town right there. As you can see, the bridge. So that's the bridge. That's the old town right there, and that is where it used to be. Crazy, super crazy. That whole town just flooded. I don't know why, but it's now a big giant lake, and the water is super clear. They do a lot of diving here. We're gonna go ahead and explore. Let's go. Inside the falls, guys. Wow. Wow. Wow, guys. It's about to get serious right now, guys. Beautiful. Oh my God. That is amazing, guys. Wow. I want to go a bit, but I can't. There's a bunch of trees in the way. Wow. Yeah. Beautiful waterfalls. Alright. Hey, you gonna climb on that tree up there? Hell no. I'll do it if you do it. Awesome, awesome. So beautiful. Jesus, so beautiful. right, guys, so we just stopped here at Toxic Away. Beautiful area. We're gonna go check out a bunch of suspension bridges. There's a lot of creeks that come through here, so you see the water just coming through there like rapids. Awesome area. Let's go check it out. Okay, guys, make sure you keep your eyes peeled. Make sure that if you spot Bigfoot, point them out. Spot, all right?
Yeah.
Sasquatch. That's gonna be her new husband.
Yeah.
Talk
I'm gonna
about.
see him, turn around, and run.
Hey, did you see him? Bigfoot.
Bigfoot, that way. He's on the bridge.
Okay, guys, so to give you some type of idea of where we're at, there's a map right here in the middle of nowhere. I'm gonna show you really quick. All right, so if you could see, I'm telling you the truth, I'm a little lost myself. I don't even know where we're at on here. This is where we're at. We're at the very end of this Toxic Wave River. And it goes up that way, up that way. So we're right here at the very tip. There's a bridge right there we're gonna go check out. But this is the whole entire area. Awesome. Look at this bridge, guys.
I'm on her. Toxic Wave River.
Do it. Go ahead, you first. Wow. What's the matter, hun?
That chocolate lab is fishing. You see him?
Yeah.
This is amazing.
Oh.
Our skis are over there, all the way over there.
Yep.
Look at this. Aren't we so lucky to be here?
Yes, we are. Whoa. It's moving. It's moving, guys. It's moving. It wasn't moving this bad a few minutes ago. It is moving bad now. Oh my God, this is amazing. Oh my God, it goes up even higher, guys. It goes up higher. Wow. That's a climb. Here we go. You know, one thing this place has made me realize, and I've already realized it, but more and more, is how much I'm out of shape. I've been doing a lot of climbing these past couple days. Up mountains, down mountains. Whew. Those steps took the wind out of me already.
Steps down here, but
See? Oh boy.
looks like there's no handlebars.
Oh boy.
Yeah, and going out.
Do we want to do this?
It's down.
You having fun, Maya?
Yeah.
Cool.
I want to go swim under the waterfalls.
Waterfalls?
Yeah.
Yeah, we're gonna get to those. This is a nice little spot here though.
Yeah.
Walk in it too.
Look.
It's gonna be a little chilly. Oh. There's a bridge over here. Hold on. Let's go check out the bridge. From underneath, it's a suspension bridge, but we're gonna climb that way. We're not gonna use the bridge. Oh, look how nice that looks. Wow. It's amazing. Amazing.
Hey, June, I say we make it up to that suspension bridge.
Yes, I'm going that way though.
I don't know if you can get onto that way.
Yeah, it goes right across. up top.
Alright guys, and 3.
Here we go. B-Rex. Go follow his channel. Oh my God, guys. This is amazing. I'm telling you, literally a breath of fresh air. The water is nice and clear. So apparently, from what I understand, is that this used to be valleys and certain towns and stuff like that. And what happened was, I guess the dam broke or something and it filled up. I really do not know the whole history, and I apologize if I said anything wrong. I'm 100% wrong. I'll tell you that until I'm proven right. But yeah, this place is so beautiful, man. Mountains. It's amazing, amazing. Let's see what else they got to show.
Video and put on the Captain Jocassee YouTube page. Action! Woo!